Hey guys, new merch, buy now. Beluga wears Killer Shark t-shirts and just chill, which is what you should do. And then there's this. Buy now! Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy, Milk Doge. And in today's video, we're going to be playing some more Roblox Bedwars, and I'm rocking the new Killer Shark merch that I advertised at the beginning of this video. Now, yesterday, you might have seen that, I got the Jade Kit, and what are we going to be doing in this video? Yeah, you guessed it. Using only the hammer. So if you like Roblox Bedwars and you like your YouTube channel, it's the worst time for it to do the animation. I wanted it to be like that, and then it just does a looks this way, looks that way thing. But anyways, yeah, if you like the channel, make sure to subscribe. Merchandise. Please buy the merchandise. Also, I'm working on a first-person shooter game, an FPS game. I'm pretty sure it's what they're referred by. And it's turning out very good. So it should be released soon. It's gonna be called Bloody Broadway. Hey, it's the only like good name I could think of. All right, not really, but like you don't get what I mean. Let's just go into a match. Let's queue up a match. Mr. Dogeman. Yeah. He says he's master at rushing. I'm master at being a cow. Sure. You're the master at rushing, buddy. Sure. I just saw you die. He's like, oh, I'm the master at rushing. Let me go show you. But watch him just die again. See? Yeah, you're the master at rushing. Okay. Did I just say mushing? I meant master at rushing. Oh, hey. Do you like this hammer? Yeah, I can only use this, so, Oh, no, I can, this is the only weapon I can use. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard. Yes, I know. This is a dumb idea. Dude, oh my gosh, why are people like this? Going. They don't realize I could just do that. I guess they did. Yeah. I just died! There's no point in putting my sword back because it just spawned right there again. So I'm just gonna buy an axe and a pickaxe. Oh my gosh. Oh, gotta use this. I'm gonna try clutching again. Let's see. Okay, so they're back at their base. What should I do? Hey. Oh, hey, I forgot to use it. I jumped, but I forgot to use it. Wow, I'm such an idiot. Give me that. I need armor. Oh, I almost just died. Ready. Who's ready to die? Alright, let me go ahead and get some armor. Oh yeah, we looking like a hot cow. No. Sorry, I've just been like under a lot of stress because I can't eat anything right now because Jewish holiday. Alright, come here, buddy. Buddy. Oh, Bo's gonna help you. Well, it sure looks like it is. Alright, buddy, you're gonna try me again. Let's go show him a piece of my cow milk. Shift, work. Thank you. Dude, what are you doing? Is my teammate hiding? Alright, buddy. I don't care, I'm using my sword. Are you kidding? I hate when that happens. So, like, I don't know. I can only really use my hammer, basically, but, like, whoever said that? Me. I should really start trying to come with actual good video ideas that I'll enjoy doing. I don't have to take that detour anymore. I can just use the hammer. No racing people in Roblox, but where's the guy? 3, 2, 1, go! No, with sprint, he's like, it's like so close to the end. He's like, you know what? I feel like winning actually. And hammer towards the finish line. It's like, hey, that's cheating. And I'm like, hey, you never said I couldn't use a hammer. Go, go, go! Yeah, that's exactly what you're doing, buddy. Get your sword. This is my sword. What are you talking about? Whee! Ah, nice wall there. What are you trying to do? Build Trump Tower. Yeah, I can still go over that, buddy. Buddy, I like how my teammate said, go, go, go! But he's probably still not even in the thing. I'm gonna just fireball his wall if it's 2019. Wait, let me get iron armor. Oh, wait, let me get iron armor. Hold on. Should I really do it? I don't know, this joke is getting weird. I'm not trying to copy PGHL films, but... What?!
It's the Mickey Mouse Flop House. Come inside. It's...
I was trying to think of something that rhymes with fun. Well, I could say that's not fun. Imagine being a bow spammer. Just like imagine actually being a bow spammer. Like, hey, oh, you wanna go, bro? I got iron. Oh, he got diamond. Oh, he's a freak. Hey, watch this. You bye. Oh, I'm why? Yeah, this is the problem with when you can only use your hammer, okay? And it's when you play in a device that you're not that good at. Oh, yeah, knock me off. Oh, I think he just knocked my teammate off. I honestly feel kind of bad now. Hey, come on! I just used the hammer. The hammer didn't work. So my teammate's probably gonna camp Gen if I have 2 iron for. Yep. No. Okay, good. You didn't camp Gen. No, go grab. I need a bow. That's the only way I can win this. Or okay. Wait, dude. Oh, nice shield, bro. It's actually pretty useful for once. Hey, I said I didn't say I couldn't use it again. Just in case he bow spams. Yeah, I made that still. Baguette. Oops. Yeah! Yo, what's up? Take this baguette! Get it off the map, my guy. But get it off the map. I'm trying to baguette this guy so hard right now. Dude, baguette! Okay, so like, I don't know what really happened there. I wish you kept your baguette after you died. Like, that would be so much better. Hey. Bow spam. Imagine being a bow spammer. Yeah. nice aim, bro. Nice aim, bro. Oh, he got iron armor. This sucks. Why? Oh my gosh. I know this video is just me dying, and it's kind of boring and all. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, so my recorder kind of broke for a second. I don't know where I left off. On my recording, I should probably check, but hey! Oh my gosh, yeah, bow spamming doesn't work anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm getting better with this thing. No, he's coming. Oh my gosh. Well, like, what is this guy's bed defense? I like how my teammate's actually fighting, like he just starts fighting after I die. Hey, bow spam me, please. All I've ever wanted is to get bow spammed, but no one has been able to do it because I'm so good at the game. Yeah, bow spam me. Try, buddy. Oh my gosh, I just used a hammer. I almost just said a word. Funny word there. I kind of want to like troll my teammate, like trolling Bedwars Part 8. Like I'm feeling kind of those vibes. Yeah, fireball. Your fireball's gonna help you. Yeah, man. No one uses those anymore. Just kidding. I want to launch this person in the air. I want to be useful. Oh wow! It worked right when I jumped. If it worked, I would have timed that perfectly and got the bed. Because think about it. They wouldn't have been able to cross that wall. Hey, bow spam me. Wow, he even missed. We got. Is he behind me? I'm scared to check. Yeah, nice fireball! You just made it easier for. Why is my hammer so weird? Yes, it worked finally. Oh my gosh, these Annoying idiots! Oh my god, what? Sorry, that I'm being this way, but like, can I remind you, I haven't eaten for the past 7 hours. Not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty hungry. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta respect my religion. And I've gotta kill people with a giant hammer. Wait, that almost just did not work there. Please, please. Come on, he has diamond armor! Right when wait, is he... What the heck? Dude, what's happening right now? Why am I not hitting? Are you kidding me? Alright, it's time to make you suffer from a piece of bread. Up again. Yo, you want my bread? Oh my gosh. I love how my teammates just infernal shielder. Hey, you can't hit me now. Dude, fireball. Nope. Nope. Imagine I just... I'm running so slow. Come on. I have 3 HP. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. I think I'm going to troll my teammate at this point. Oh, like and subscribe in the next 2 seconds, or else Hammerhead will be in your bed, Banana Barbarian. Such a good intro. And I still... What? I look so good. Hey, like my Hammerhead? No! It's like Hammerhead shark. Why do you have to make my life so miserable? Hey, I agree, man, I agree. These guys are just bots. No. Are you kidding? Escape. L. Yeah, enter. Yep. Bye, teammate. Nothing's loading. Okay, so might as well show you my first-person shooter game so far. Alright, so here's the thing so far. I'm gonna private it, like, later today. I almost just said earlier today. Okay, starting Roblox. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you guys my game. So I've made like 50 other games in the past, by the way, so also I might have like one of my friends help me out with this. But for now, it's just all solo. And yeah, this is a first person shooter game. I think you can like glitch in the first person or something. And you don't really even need shift lock because it's first person. Now you have the pistol. It works. See, it works. You can like aim with it with like left click. And it even works on mobile. You can click R to reload. And then when you just run out of shots, like if I waste all 12 shots here, it just automatically reloads. That's how good the game is. Second slot, which is like a rifle. It's a pretty nice gun. Then you can R to reload. When you run out of shots, it will automatically reload. I was trying to make an intro for this game. It worked, but I thought that was the reason that like the game was like bugging, so I just like removed it. But I might make another one. Also, there's grenades. I'll probably take these out in like beta. But yeah, you basically just throw them and they die. Also, when you die, by the way, it says Killship Warrior 2 was killed. Or I don't know. Here, I'm gonna show you guys what happens when another player's in the game. Let me get my alt in the game. Give me 1 second. Should be joining fairly soon. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, so like basically if I on my alt grab a gun, yeah, I'll go with the rifle. If I go ahead and kill my main account, and he's on mobile, by the way, my alt account's on mobile. What the heck? Fire. See? You see? Oh, and when my alt account runs around, you can see it was killed by him, and then you can see him running around, which is actually pretty epic. And then let's just say he grenades me. Oh, I just missed so hard. Let me just kill my account quickly. He's like, oh, let me run this way. Yeah, it's pretty sick. And then I just respawn, and I can go ahead and kill him. Where is he? Where is my alt account? Ah, there he is. Die! Yes! Yes, very epic. So yeah, this is going to be how the game works. I hope it gets popular. I might try like advertise it on like different YouTube channels or stuff like